today is July 18th, 2018. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to recap and go over what Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market is doing, okay? So let's start with Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, if you remember, last week I told you the bulls were coming, and I told you you should all enter in this area right here. So we're gonna ride this thing out, and I'm gonna let you know when I'm jumping out, when I'm gonna jump back in. But as of right now, we're still looking bullish. Okay, this is an hourly candle. Let's do the hourly candles real quick. So as you can see, we got bullish momentum on the MACD. Each higher is higher than the previous high, which is good. We got bullish strength on the RSI. Okay, so that's good. We got a abnormally long volume candle, strong buying power. So the buying power is good. So that's all good, right? And as you can see, we're trying to break a resistance level around 7,600. Okay, so as you can see, what the price does goes like this, kind of like an arches, right? All these little bounces down. So I believe we're gonna see something like this, and then it's gonna break that resistance level, and the next stop should be I believe it's around 8,000. Anyway, did I get that right? Hold on. No, I'm sorry, ladies. I'm sorry. The next resistance level is 7,800. Okay. So that's the next resistance level. So we're gonna see this thing bounce. It's gonna go down a little bit, then it's gonna shoot back up. Okay. So that's my analysis for Bitcoin. Now, the good time to get in on trades, if you didn't get in already, is you look for these dips, right? Buy the dips. The bulls are back. It's confirmed. The volume's doing better. There's a lot more investor money coming in. The bulls are back in town for sure. But still, we're gonna have our retracements where we could buy the dips and sell the highs, right? So let's look at EOS. If you're on with trade calls, I called it last night that EOS was gonna hit around the $9.25 area, right? And it hit $9.35. So again, let's go over EOS. Remember, this is just the hourly, okay? So we got higher highs on the signal lines. We've got both the momentum keeps getting better. Now, one thing I want to point out to you real quick, the RSI, if you look real closely on the strength, in terms of strength, we have a little bit decrease in strength, right? Just a little bit, which is a bearish signal that basically it's losing steam. The strength wise is losing steam. Okay, this high wasn't as high as the previous high. I think that goes for Bitcoin too. No, maybe not. But either way, everything's still looking bullish. But what I believe we're about to see again, see the arches. We're gonna hit up here like we are. When it hit this diverging wedge, you see this wedge I drew here for you guys. When it hit this, it should bounce down, come maybe around here to the $8.30 area before shooting back up and hitting that next resistance at about the $9.40. Okay, and another thing I want to go over with you guys. Look at this. We have. Hold on. Let's clear this board. So let's look at on the daily now. So the daily's looking pretty good. We let's do Bitcoin. Let me clear this. So again, we have that inverted head and shoulders, right? So it should look something like this as the price goes up. We're about to officially break that bearish trend right here, right? And the concept of Elliott waves, right? We're going to see Elliott waves. It's going to go like this, right? Then it's going to correct a little bit. Then it's going to come back up. And basically we're going to see that pattern. Now the theory behind Elliott waves, when you have one successful Elliott wave, 5 more should follow. Okay, so I believe we're in for a nice run. But we got to catch the dips and squeeze as much out of this run as we possibly can. So that's my quick analysis for this morning, guys. I do have a few things I got to do today, but I will check up later on and we will recap and see what's going on tonight. I will tune in for more, and don't forget to hit like, press subscribe, and don't forget we do have classes coming up. All right, you guys have a good day.